Prasad Sinha, respected faculty members, seniors, and all my dear batchmates. It brings me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to the first Foundation Day celebration of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee International Institute of Information Technology, Naya Raipur. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Triple IT Naya Raipur was established in the year 2015 and now has completed 6 glorious and tremendous years of existence. This institute is committed to pursuing excellence in higher education, research, and development in the field of information technology and associated disciplines. The modern architecture of the building and the serene environment of the campus fosters an ambience for the students for creativity and innovation. The classrooms and laboratories are well equipped with state of the art technologies and for teaching and learning.
And now, let's begin this wonderful event with amazing music by Soumya Ranjan Patnaik.
That was indeed a mesmerizing presentation by Soumya, wasn't it? Triple IT Naya Raipur has undoubtedly fulfilled its motto, which can be seen through the accomplishments and accolades it has received throughout the years. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that our college has bagged sixth position in the India's top 100 tech-enabled engineering T schools.
Also, our institute has secured the fifth position in top government institutes in the survey carried on by the acclaimed DataQuest magazine's December 2020 edition. What more proof do we need that it has grown from a handful in a mere span of time? And now I would like to request the most distinguished, well versed shrewd personality, none other than our director, sir, to address the audience. Please, sir.
Is it okay? थोड़ा और ऊपर है। जी सर, एक मिनट। Okay, thank you Aditya and thank you Srishti, and good evening to one and all present here. Am I audible, Srishti?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Am I visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Absolutely.
okay. So thank you everyone, those who are present virtually as well as those who are present physically. As you can see, maybe you are not able to see those who are online. We are conducting this program in our auditorium. Okay. Huh? And I'm very happy to actually see that the students, faculty members and the staff members decided that from this year onwards we will actually celebrate the foundation day of the institute. And that's why this is the first celebration of our foundation day. And first let us understand why actually today we are celebrating the foundation day. Okay, some of you might be actually wondering, the institute is 5.5 years old, and what's the reason that we have selected this date, 28th of January, as the date of birth or the foundation day of the institute. So let me tell you that as per the IIIT Naya Raipur Act, okay, every institute has an act, okay, defined based on which the rules and regulations are followed. And this act, as per the government of Chhattisgarh's notice, okay, came into force on 28th of January 2014, okay, not 2015. And I will just like to read out the approval or the government's notification. It says that in exercise of the powers conferred by the subsection 1 of section 3 of the International Institute of Information Technology University Act 2013, the state government hereby appoints the 28th January 2014 as the date on which the institute by the name of International Institute of Information Technology Naya Raipur shall be established. Okay, and as per that notification, actually the institute was established on 28th of January 2014. Okay, is that clear everyone? Because I know many of you might not be aware, okay, why this date has been chosen as the foundation day. Okay, this was the date as per the government of Chhattisgarh notification, the institute came into being. However, the institute activities started rolling out from July 2015, when our first batch was inducted, okay, in the year 2015, and that's how the activities started. But the institute was actually already established, and the buildings and other things were getting constructed. Okay, I hope all of you are aware that this institute has been jointly formed by NTPC and the state government. So once the act came into being, the construction activities, the land allocation and other things started, and that's how the institute began. Okay, the institute construction work and other things started in the 2014. So by virtue of that, basically this is we have completed 7 years, okay, of our foundation, although we have completed 5.5 years of our operational activities. Okay, so please keep that in mind. Okay, so we will be actually entering into the 8th year of our foundation from tomorrow onwards. That is today, after the celebration of our foundation day. Now, as Aditya and Srishti already mentioned, okay, in the last 5.5 years of operation of this institute, the institute has really remarkably grown into its operations and activities, and the credit goes to the members sitting here, the faculty members, the staff members, as well as our pass-out students and the current student members, and of course all the stakeholders. Stakeholders means the state government, NTPC, okay, all other statutory bodies, the board members, the senate members, the board of governors, and many other people actually who have contributed to the development of this institute. And yeah, a lot of people have actually mentioned that in the last 5 years, 5.5 years, this institute has really grown very fast. Okay, we made a very humble beginning with 2 branches of engineering. Only 80 students in Tech. Today, we have 3 branches of engineering, BTech. Okay, 180 students in Tech in BTech. We also have MTech programs, PhD programs, Master of Science by Research program, and so on. So many things actually happened due to the effort of the members sitting here and participating in this event. Parallelly, a lot of other things we did, of which we are proud of. We started several centers of excellence, several state-of-art research labs, okay, and we had the pioneering initiative of starting one of the first few institutes to be starting the DSAI branch in 2019. Rather, we were among the first 2-3 institutes which took the initiative to start this. And of course, a lot of other things happened. Our actually students did very well, and we got 100% placement, and so on. I'm not here to actually list out the achievements. And as Srishti just now mentioned, okay, we were also ranked 6th by the DataQuest survey. Okay, we got 4-star ranking by MHRD's Innovation Council. Okay, and so on. There are many things which the institute is really proud of, and I am really proud of all of you for your effort that has gone into the last 5 years in making this institute. Now, what is important today on this, when we are actually celebrating the Foundation Day, is to actually understand, okay, what has actually helped us in this type of achievement in this short period of time. Okay, what we did differently so that as compared to many other institutes which were established, okay, maybe 10 years, 12 years, or much longer before this institute, okay, we are at par with them or maybe ahead of them. Okay, it's very important that we do we do uh, an introspection and find out what has helped us in doing that. Okay, certainly, okay, when things don't happen automatically. Okay, if the progress has been good, certainly something actually we did which has made it progress faster than others or made it progress better than others. Okay, so we will actually, I would like to touch upon some of the innovations that the team sitting here, okay, did, because of which the institute actually progressed so fast and is being recognized so well for its achievements as on date. So first of all, actually, as you all know that the handful of people who were there in 2015, okay, they decided that first of all we'll build a culture for the institute because the institute was new, and we decided that we will actually call it a family, IIIT Near Raipur family, and we'll have a very unique culture built for this family. So we immediately defined the core values, okay, of the culture of this family. And as you know, the 5 basic elements of this core value were defined by the people who were there at that point of time. And these core values were ethics, discipline, respect, ownership, and continuous improvement. Then the other thing that actually helped the institute grow faster was positivity in our approach. Okay, we all decided that no matter what, we are not going to crib about anything. Rather, we are going to sit together and solve all our problems. So we created a very positive environment, okay, in the campus. And people do say that यहाँ की हवाओं में पॉजिटिविटी है, कैंपस में घुसते ही एक अलग तरह का वातावरण. Okay, so we decided that that positive environment will be created. And let me tell you that the members sitting here and the members who are online and other members who are associated with this institute created the positivity to such an extent that anyone who was having negative thoughts automatically got ejected from the system. Okay, so you have seen certain examples, okay, in the last 3-4 years. Okay, there was so much of positivity among the team sitting here that people with negative actually connotations, negative beliefs, okay, they automatically got ejected because they felt very uncomfortable in the system. Okay, and that is a strong reason how the institute actually started, because when positive minded people are there around, naturally a lot of good developments will started happening. The other thing that has helped is we decided to actually keep time wasters away from us. Okay, and we always try to see that if there is anything that is coming in the operations of the institute which will unnecessarily waste a lot of time, okay, of our members, okay, we are actually going to take care of that. For example, we have seen that there have been problems, okay, our students actually, some of our students created some problem in a city bus, okay, and then there were a lot of issues related to going to the police station, court cases, etc. Okay, same thing at some point of time happened with certain other members where there were legal problems, okay, and there were legality involved. But we decided that is there any problem? Okay. So,
Nishu, please unmute.
okay. So we always actually try to see that our members don't spend time and waste their time into these type of things, and we protected them. Okay, we try to see that they are well protected, they don't get entangled into this type of issues where they will end up wasting their valuable time into useless things and not doing productive work. The next thing which was part of this culture was happiness. Okay, we always try to see that the members of this family actually are happy in whatever form they are, whatever actually they are doing, because we always felt that happiness actually brings success. It's not the other way that success will bring happiness. So happiness was another thing which we promoted very strongly in our culture. The next thing which was part of the culture was motivation. Okay, we always try to see that every member of this family is highly motivated, and for that we followed a culture that we should give freedom to do whatever members like. Okay, they should be free to operate, okay, within the boundaries of the rules and restrictions of the institute. Anyone wants to explore anything, he or she should be allowed to do that. And there are many examples, like today we had scientific, okay, someone wanted to explore scientific event, we told okay, go ahead. Okay, someone wants to do a conference, okay, we say okay, go ahead. Okay, same way we the mathematics faculty members actually wanted to start a center for applied mathematics. We said okay, go ahead, okay, and do it. Okay, similarly IEEE student chapter was to be, some members wanted to do, we said go ahead. So what we, same thing for students. The students have often come out with ideas. So we want to do this in the institute. We want to set up this club. We want to set up that club. We have always encouraged. Okay, many of the faculty members wanted to set up different type of labs, centers of excellence, and so on. And we gave them full freedom. So what we actually did is we gave motivation in this culture to allow people to do and explore whatever they wanted. Okay, and in the process we actually tried to see that the culture allows people to do mistakes and correct themselves, because we do understand that people learn by making mistakes. And we encourage the students to do mistakes, okay, but correct themselves. So encouraging actually risk taking, encouraging taking challenges, mistakes was always part of our culture. And in the whole process, we always try to see that simplicity and humbleness is part of our culture. That is, we all should, no matter what level we are actually exercising simplicity and are humble to everyone who is part of our family or who is actually associated with IIIT in any form. In addition to the culture, what actually brought this institute to a different level is we did a lot of innovation in academics. Okay, for example, all of you are aware that we have many new features in our academic activities, okay, like fractal academics, skill first, theory later, project based learning, okay, research publications. Actually, we encouraged even our BTech students to publish their work, write project proposals, okay, and publish their findings and projects. Then international and national internships. We also had provisions to support students for going abroad. Then a lot of collaborations, okay, which are not that easy in many other institutes. We had collaborations with DRDO, CDAC, foreign universities like Southern California, Carolina, South Carolina University, Louisiana State University, and so on. Okay, we made our research standard, okay, publication standard pretty high, and you can see that those PhD students who are actually on the finishing, okay, I have actually taken a review recently. All of them have an IEEE transaction paper. Okay, so you can understand that what type of publication standard we are setting for this institute. And of course, in academics, we followed very high discipline. Okay, that is, attendance to a certain extent will be must. Okay, certain type of things will not be tolerated in academics. Okay, you have cheating won't be allowed. Okay, because one of the very important things that I had read somewhere, okay, and which we practiced here, actually, there were few lines by Nelson Mandela, okay, which I had recorded, okay, and it says destroying any nation does not require the use of atom bombs or missiles, okay. It only requires lowering the quality of education. So if you want to destroy any nation, just lower the quality of the education. And that actually motivated us that at no cost we will allow lowering of our education in this campus. That is, no exams, malpractices will be allowed in the exam. Okay, no leniency will be shown, okay, as far as attendance is concerned, okay, and participation in class exercises and quizzes and other things are concerned. So basically, this type of culture creation for the institute plus academic culture creation for the institute basically helped this institute in coming up very fast as compared to many other parallel institutes. Then the other thing which was very important, which I will also like you all to understand, is we always actually promoted all-round development of the members. Okay, be it faculty members, staff members, or the students. We were always looking at not only one aspect but multiple aspects in the whole culture. For example, for faculty, right from the day of interview, okay, we tell them, look, teaching will not be sufficient. Okay, only teaching if you are targeting to do this institute is not for you. Okay, you can go and join some other institute where only teaching is the responsibility of the faculty members. So faculty members were continuously involved in teaching, institute development activities, projects, research, and all of these have to be part of their actually day-to-day activities. So this multi roles of the faculty members help the students, help the institute in coming up much faster. So in addition to teaching, they are all involved in other activities also. Like today you saw Dr. Anurag, Dr. Abhishek, they were handling the scientific event. Okay, they were taking care of everything. So many faculty members were taking care of the various sessions. Okay, so all this actually helps in institute building. Then for the staff, we always actually told each and every staff that you will come inside the institute with one particular role. Okay, that is because you are being selected for a particular role. but multiple responsibilities every staff member has to take. Okay, you can't be satisfied with what you have been taken inside the institute for, because we actually operate with a very thin population of staff. Okay, you can see there will be one HR person. Okay, like that we have for many departments one person handling multiple things. Okay, so in that type of scenario, it is very important that every staff takes care of multiple responsibilities, and we made it part of our culture that no staff members will actually operate with only one responsibility. He or she has to take multiple roles. So that helps the institute in all-round development. Same way for the students, we try to see that in the first year, every student is exposed to many types of opportunities, and then he or she starts actually narrowing down as he or she grows in the system, okay, and decides whether I want to actually go for this type of professional career or whether I want to go for that type of professional career, and then we nurture the particular capability in the students accordingly. So this is what actually helped in all-round development of all the members of the system, that is faculty, staff, and the students of the institute. Now in the whole process, okay, the philosophy which I personally believed in and I nurtured in the system, I will like to touch upon that. I actually tried to see that in the system we have a philosophy which will have an acronym of PMPH. Okay, P stands for people. I always gave the highest priority to the people of the system, because actually the institute cannot be built by brick and mortar and the buildings and the plants and trees in the campus. Okay, any system is built by the institute. So I tried to see that people actually resource is given the highest priority, and in the process I tried to bring the best of the people available in the country into this campus and try to see that they are given the utmost importance. Okay, the people are the should be highly motivated, they should be happy, as I already mentioned. Then the other thing, the next item was meritocracy. Right from beginning, we decided that mediocrity will not be actually tolerated in this campus. Those who are actually trying to have easy life, they will have tough time in this campus. So you have to actually work hard to become a person of merit, and all promotions, all actually awards, rewards will be based on the merit. Okay, it will not be time bound. We made it very clear, when you actually come up for promotion, if you feel that I have completed the minimum residency period for that grade and I should get promotion, we are sorry, you will not get promotion just by completing X number of years in a particular grade. And same thing happened for the students. Okay, we made it very clear that all grades, all marks will be actually awarded based on merits. Okay, you will be given scholarships based on merit. You will be given actually internship funds based on merit. Okay, and other things. Everything will be based on merit. So we created a culture of meritocracy in this campus. The next thing was pragmatic. We were always trying to see that whatever decisions we make for the institute are actually pragmatic decisions. Pragmatic means it should be workable. It should not be a theoretical decision. By theory, it should be like this. Okay, but in practice, we have to see whether in this system it works or not. Okay, and for that, we also try to see that We do not blindly follow many of the very well established institutes. Like we actually learned from the rules and regulations of many established and old IITs and IIITs and NITs. Okay, but when we were actually framing our rules, we tried to see that we are pragmatic. We will understand that we are state government funded institute and we cannot have a fully central government funded rules copied. Okay, so that is what I mean pragmatism. And all these helped in building and taking the institute to the level at which it is. And finally, we had one of the very important parameters for success and growth, which was honesty. That is, every faculty member, every staff members, every student and every member of this family will perform their roles and responsibilities with full dignity and honesty. Okay, there will be no cheating at any place, and anyone who is found actually indulging in any type of dishonesty will be punished. Okay, so these were some of the basic philosophical principles on which the foundation of this institute actually stands and is being built. Now, as my role as the director, okay, I always try to see that I primarily play 4 roles in the whole process of building this institute. The first one was direction. That is, I try to give the right direction to each and every member, okay, for their roles. The second actually parameter was speed, okay, because I always believe that only moving in the right direction will not allow us to outstand. Okay, we have to actually move with the right speed to be ahead of others who are also moving in the right direction. So until unless we move faster and with the right speed, okay, we may lag behind. Why we are ahead of many others? Probably because of the speed. Okay, because many people, many institutes might be moving in the direction, but they don't have the right speed. So I always kept on requesting my members that please accelerate. In the process. Okay, many of the members also felt that sir's expectation is very high. Okay, we are finding it very difficult to match with sir's expectation. But please believe that I have been very closely watching each one of you and trying to see that whatever you are, you become far better tomorrow because of the demands I have been putting on all of you. Then the next one was the motivation. I always try to see that all my members are highly motivated, because until unless you are motivated, you will not be able to perform, okay, with your best of capabilities. And finally, the role that I was playing was providing the right support. Okay, although I have been asking that do this, do that, or do whatever you want, okay, I always try to see that the members are given the right support. That is, the students are given the right framework for achieving what they are trying to achieve. The faculty members are given the right type of labs and equipment and the facilities for what they are trying. Okay, for example, we started MS by Research. Okay, it was to support the project staff, not the students, actually who are recruited as a project staff. But if we don't have additional incentive associated with that offer, okay, probably they will not last very long. So we decided that no, actually, to give the right type of support, we probably need to have a program, an educational program or a degree offering program. Okay, and immediately I ran with Senate, ran with board, and tried to see that this support is provided for those faculty members and those project staff members who are actually bringing projects and doing projects in the campus. Okay, it will be a great help to them. Same way, when the PhD came, I ran pillar to post to actually begging to everyone, okay, please allow more actually number of PhDs. Please allow PhDs in various other disciplines, because as you remember, okay, we didn't have PhD beyond CSE and ECE. Okay, and later management PhD, science PhD, humanities PhD and other things were added. So the role I have been playing is the role of giving the right support for whatever is being expected from the members. Same way with every student, we try to see that they are given the right support. Okay, we had many other type of actually motivational avenues for the students. For example, all of you are aware that the institute conducts many special programs which other institutes do not conduct. I will just try to name a few of them. Like, there is a Jaan Pehchan session that happens, where we try to identify the background of every student and the likes and dislikes of every student and what are their goals in life, and then try to provide them the right type of support through a center called Center for Professional Development. Okay, so these are some of the activities which we actually started in this institute for providing the right support and motivating. Now, wherever we have come, at this juncture, you will ask, sir, what is the future? Okay, we have come this far. Okay, where are we heading? Certainly, once we have set the right culture, we have the right team with a very highly motivated set of people. Okay, the future is very bright. Okay, there is no doubt that you all are heading towards a very bright future. Okay, and I am not telling this. Okay, actually the statistics is telling this. The type of applications that we receive now for faculty or staff positions as compared to what we were receiving 2 or 3 years ago. The ranking of the admissions, okay, the recognitions that we are getting. Okay, we got recognitions from AICT, we got recognition from UGC, okay, we got DSIR certification, we got ATG certification for endowment fund, and so many things. Wherever we go, okay, people are recognizing this institute and are giving their full support. So certainly the future is very bright. And the next focus, now that we have actually slightly stabilized our education, okay, the focus that we are going to put in the near future is more on research and innovation, entrepreneurship, and so on. Okay, when the students come back to the campus, they will see a lot of new infrastructure that has come up or will be ready by this year end. Okay, a lot of new collaborations will happen. Okay, national and international visibility will increase, and certainly a lot of new things you all are going to do, which is going to make the institute proud. Now, while ending, I will like to thank every member of this institute for providing the right type of support, for working very, very hard for achieving what the institute has achieved as of today, be it the state government, be it NTPC, be it our partners like NRDA, now NRA and VP, or our board members, Senate members, okay, DSIR members promoting our research, and so on. I would like to thank every member, every stakeholder of this institute, okay, for providing the right type of support, for working really hard, because of which the institute has come up so far. And let's hope that in the next 1 year, when we meet again at the Foundation Day next year, on this day, there will be many other laurels that we will be proud of. Thank you very much. Thank you.
No matter what, don't crib about anything, just find a solution and make a positive environment. Certainly, this is the very aspect and thinking which has led to the 7 years of legacy of our institute. Now, let us move forward to the cultural events by the students of our batch.
Our first performance is by someone जो हमारी बैच की सबसे अच्छी लड़की है, चाहे freshers हो या batchmate, she will definitely give you a positive response. Without further delay, presenting हमारी सबकी आज्ञाकारी छात्रा मितीक्षा.
मैं सब कुछ छੱਡ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਉਤੋਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਵਾਰੀ ਬੈਠੀਆਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਫਿਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਯਾਰਾ ਵੇਖ ਵਾਰੀ ਬੈਠੀਆਂ ਯਾਰੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਵੇ ਯਾਰੀ ਜਿਸਮਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਯਾਰੀ ਯਾਰੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਵੇ ਯਾਰੀ जिसमां तक है सारी दी सारी वे तक्का होना मेरे नाल मैनू पता बस लारे आ वे तू ब्याह नहीं कराना मेरे नाल मैनू पता बस लारे आ वे तू ब्याह नहीं कराना ब्याह नहीं कराना मेरे नाल मैनू पता बस लारे आ वे तू ब्याह नहीं कराना मैं सब कुछ छੱਡ ਦਿੱਤਾ तेरे करके
Aditya. Aditya, you can announce the next performance. We will play and locally and share the screen. Sir, हो गया. Aditya, can you hear us?
So you are not audible.
So please
Am I
announce.
audible to you?
Yeah, you are audible. I'm saying you announce the next performance. We will play it. We will play it locally at our computer because network connectivity is there. Problem is there.
Okay, sir. Shishi, you can go ahead with the next one.
Yes, yes. So that was definitely an exceptional performance by Nitiksha. And now moving on. As we all know, college life is all about meeting and discovering new people, making connections and learning new things. But sadly, हमारे बैच को वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली नहीं. बट हमारे बैच में एक कोई ऐसा है जिसने घर में रहते ही ऐसे सब्जेक्ट में पीएचडी कर रखी है. बैचमेट्स हो या सीनियर्स, सभी के डिटेल्स होते हैं इसके पास. So without further delay, I present you Sridhar and Kushal.
Srishti, can you speak up the name again?
Sir Sridhar and Kushal.
They are actually. Samar, that video is not with us. Can you play it at your computer and share the screen? Sir, that video is not with us. Let's try. उतनी ही सर.
Here's to the one that we got.
Okay, it's coming. Okay.
Cheers to
You
the
have
wish
said
you
that.
were here, but
Samar,
you're not,
share
'cause
your video with the option of motion and video. Optimize for motion and video. Then we can listen the sound. When you share, click on the share window, share option, and on the top left corner you can see a drop down is there. Go to the optimize for motion and video. Okay, it's loading right now. Now we are able to hear the sound.
here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever, everything would stay the same. Now my heart feels like December when somebody say your name, 'cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. I'm gonna be alright, gonna raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you.
That melody was pleasing to the ears, wasn't it? और कुशाल भाई की आवाज तो उफ, सुभान अल्लाह सुभान अल्लाह. इस बंदे की तो मतलब गाने की ऐसी आदत लगी हुई है. इसकी आवाज आपको कपरीशो के इंस्टा पेज पे भी मिल जाएगी और हमारे लेक्चर के रिकॉर्डिंग में भी. एक बार तो लिटरली he unmuted himself and started singing in the mid of the class. What can I say about him? Anyway, our next performer is not any less in front of the others. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the very elegant Yatin.
में से भर के तैयार की, खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती। में से भर के तैयार की, खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती। खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया, ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया। तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार बनेगा, मेरे अनुसूली उतर टंगी रख मेरा नखरा है दिखी तलवार बनेगा। मेरे अनुसूली उतर टंगी रख मेरा नखरा है दिखी तलवार बनेगा।
That was surely amazing performance by Yatin. अब इस performance के बाद I feel he can surely be TG sir's partner in crime. Well, moving on to our next performer. ये इतने generous and considerate हैं कि he will let his roommate do his all homework and उनके सारे खेलने और मस्ती करने का काम अपने सर पर लेते हैं. So, presenting you Aryan Kaur.
कौन बोला मुझसे ना हो पाएगा? कौन बोला? अब ता टाइम आएगा, उठ जा अपनी आँख से तू उठ जा अब तलाश में, परवाज़ देख परवाने की आसमां भी सर उठाएगा, आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझसे ना मिल पाएगा, ये शब्द का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ी अब पिघलाएगा, जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा, ऐसा मेरा ख्वाब है जो डर को भी सताएगा, जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दर्शाएगा, अब हौसले से जीने दे, अब खौफ नहीं है सीने में, हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे, हर कामयाबी छीनेंगे, सब कुछ मिला पसीने से, मतलब बड़ा अब जीने में, क्यों? क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर? किसी का हाथ नहीं तो सर पर यहाँ पर आया खुद की मेहनत से, मैं जितनी ताकत किसमें में नहीं उतनी रहमत में है, फिर भी लड़का सहमत नहीं है क्योंकि हैरत नहीं है, जरूरत यहाँ मर्जी की और जरूरत की है, ताकत की है, आफत की, हिमाकत की, इबादत की, अदालत की है, चाहत की, मोहब्बत की, इबादत की, जीते की आवाज, चौथ की अब लालच नहीं है, तेरे भाई जैसा कोई हारिच नहीं है, हार्ड इस हरकत में भी बरकत नहीं है, क्यों? क्योंकि अब का टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अब का टाइम आएगा, अब का टाइम आएगा, अब का टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अब का टाइम आएगा, अब का टाइम आएगा, अब का टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? साला नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या तू घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अब तो टाइम आएगा, अब तो टाइम आएगा, अब तो टाइम आएगा ना, तू नंगा ही तो जाएगा ना।
बिल्कुल सही बात बोली भाई आर्यन, अपना टाइम बिल्कुल आएगा यार। मतलब एक बार यार, बस गलती से ही सही यार, एक बार कॉलेज खुल जाए अपना ही टाइम आएगा, फिर बता रहा हूँ मैं। कॉलेज ना खुलने का दर्द तो वैसे हम सबको ही है, बट what we can do right now, I think, is enjoy the next performance. So let me call upon and I present to you Sanjam with her eccentric and agile performance.
सलाम भाई लोग। अपुन का नाम छोड़ो ना, अपुन एक मजदूर है। मजदूर ये गली गली चौल चौल भटकता था काम के लिए। अभी 3 साल पहले अपुन को एक गटर साफ करने का काम मिला। अपुन आजकल गटर साफ कर रहा है। अपना एक छोकरा भी है, छोकरे का नाम राजू है, तीसरी पढ़ता है, अभी ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है। स्कूल जाता है लेकिन फुल चकाचक यूनिफॉर्म पहन के कापी किताब लेके जाता है। एक दिन स्कूल में उसको कुछ छोकरे लोग थे, वो खेल रहे थे, क्या बोलते उसको, फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे उस दिन। वो गया खेलने के लिए तो उसको नहीं खेलने दिए। वो पूछा कि काई को खेलने नहीं दे रहे मेरे को? तो छोकरे लोग बोलते कि तेरा बाप गटर साफ करता है ना, तो तेरे को नहीं खिलाएंगे। क्या करूं साहब मैं, धंधा पानी तो है नहीं ना अपन का। बचपन में आई बाबा भी नहीं थे तो भटकता था यहाँ वहां, तो पढ़ लिख पाया तो नहीं। मैं गटर साफ करता हूँ आजकल पेट भरने के लिए। दिल पे लगा उसको बात, ये बहुत रोया हुआ आके मेरे को बताया तो मैं भी बहुत दुखी हुआ। पर क्या कर सकता मैं, क्या बताऊं उसको मैं। वो जो रोटी खाता है रात को, उसका पैसा भी तो गटर साफ करके आता है ना। लेकिन कभी कुछ बोल नहीं पाया मैं। पर उस दिन ना दिल में मान लिया मैं कि ना इसको बहुत बड़ा मंगाऊंगा मैं। ये अपुन के जैसे गटर साफ नहीं करेगा, अपुन के जैसे ये घूमेगा नहीं सड़क सड़क में। अपुन ये चौल का दादा है ना, वो दुनिया का दादा बने के दिखाएगा दुनिया में। उस दिन मैं अपने बेटे को सलाम ठोकेगा सबके सामने, अफसर बनाएगा उसको मैं, गाड़ी में घूमेगा ये। मेरे बचपन में मेरे पैर के नीचे चप्पल भी नहीं था, इसके आजू बाजू लोग होंगे देखना तुम। बहुत पढ़ाई लिखाएगा मैं इसको, देखना तुम। चलता है।
Now that was a deep and heart-touching performance by Srijan. Not sure about Bollywood, पर हमारे क्लब डे थिएटर को तो उनका इरफान खान मिल ही चुका है. And I definitely bet you on that. Now moving on, next up in the queue. Presenting Ankita's Lekhna's song performance.
I never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like gold teeth, grey grooves, stripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in a dream, but everybody's like crystal Maybachs, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We aren't caught up in your love affair. We'll never be royals. It don't run in a blood. The kind of life sustained for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I rule. Let me live the fantasy. My friends and I, we cracked the code. We counted dollars on the train to the party, and everyone who knows is knows. Now we're fine with this. We didn't come from money, but every song's like gold teeth, grey grooves, stripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in a dream, but everybody's like crystal Maybachs, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We aren't caught up in your love affair. We'll never be royals. It don't run in the blood. The kind of life sustained for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I rule. Let me live the fantasy.
Bravo, Lekhna. That was indeed a thrilling performance. वैसे लेखना के बारे में एक बात बता दूं. She's the ultra pro max imposter. But when it comes to speaking or her voice, she is just phenomenal. And that makes her the winner of the first jam session of Caprico 2. And now, moving on to our next performer. She is very much into photography and dancing is her niche. Presenting dance performance by Miss Ankita.
चली काटों बार तेनू कीदा इंतजार बेबी गर्ल होके नी तैयार किथे चली काटों बार तेनू कीदा इंतजार बेबी गर्ल के नी तैयार चली शॉपिंग नु हाँ यार तेरे बड़े चुकले बात ना मेरा girl baby girl कंगन ले दूंगा जे तू जिंदगी मेरे नाम करे तेनू आई लव यू भी कह दूंगा बेबी.
उठती लहरों को साहिल की दरकार नहीं होती, हौसलों के आगे कोई दीवार नहीं होती. जलते हुए एक चिराग ने आंधियों से कहा, हिम्मत है तो बुझा के दिखा, जलने के लिए मुझे कोनों की दरकार नहीं होती।
Thank you, respected director, sir, for giving us an opportunity to showcase our talent. Also, I would like to thank all the faculty members, seniors, and all our batchmates for taking time from your busy schedule.
Despite the fact that most of us were busy today making scientific a great success, let me take this opportunity to thank you all for making this auspicious event remarkable with your invaluable presence. Also, a special thank to our seniors for guiding and helping us to conduct this event. With this, we sign off, leaving you with a zealful and fun group performance by our batchmates. Presenting to you group dance on Kara Chashma.
ਤੂੰ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋਦੇ ਭਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਪਾਹੀ ਨੀ ਟੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਟੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਚੰਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ
Close करो।